Yo guys, I'm at this place on this dhaba. I stayed overnight. I pitched my camp here last night and I just woke up. I had nothing this morning, and this person, he invited me for a tea and he gave me tea for free and he gave me 2 biscuits for free. I really appreciate this kindness. This is incredible, man. Yo guys, this is my day 3 and the first ride of the day. This person gave me the ride. Let's go. I'm in Andhra Pradesh now. So this guy gave me a ride for almost 12 kilometers. Thanks for the ride. I appreciate. What's your name, Bhaiya? Muna. Say hi to Muna. Yo guys, I'm here in a small town called Hussaini in Andhra Pradesh. This is my day 3 in hitchhiking. Let's go. How it goes, I'm not sure, but I'm excited. It's sunny and hot here in Andhra Pradesh. Oh my god, hitchhiking, it's not that easy, but you need to be confident to ask someone for the lift. That's when you get the lift. Don't be shy, don't be scared. Easy, just put your hand up as a thumbs up. Someone will wait for you or someone will stop for you. Let's go. Keep that motivation, keep going. Look at this, what's happening here. Oh my god. What are you doing? Fucking hell, why? Why you need to destroy the mountain, bro? Do that. So this is a cotton field. This is how they grow the cotton. You can see here, those are cotton plants. I'm heading to a waterfall. So the waterfall is in these mountains. So I have to go deep into these mountains. Let's see. I'll show you the waterfalls. Let's go. My next destination is waterfalls. It's up here in these mountains. So I have to go there. Let's go. Let's go, guys. I'm heading to mountains for waterfalls. And I'll show you guys how the waterfall looks. Even I'm not sure if the water is falling from the top. If it's falling, I'll be lucky. Stay tuned. Let's go. Guys, now I have to walk in. So look at me. I'll be walking in this forest for almost 1 kilometer. Then I'll be reaching the waterfalls. This is special. I don't know how it goes, but I'll be walking there. So I have to walk in this water flow to reach the waterfalls. I don't know how far. They say it's like 1 kilometer. Let's go. Now this is the real adventure. I'm going to the waterfalls. It doesn't really have a path to reach there. I have to follow this water flow. Then I'll be reaching the waterfalls. It's in the mountains. Oh my god, this feels like I'm in a forest, a thick jungle, but it's not that deep into the forest. It's just like 500 meters away from the main highway, so it's not that scary. I don't think there'll be any wild animals around here, but still, the path to the mountains, it's not easy because you have to walk in a water flow and you got small rocks. It's not that easy. Let's go. But we need that adventurous, crazy stuff because we are crazy. That's our channel name. Loco Life. Loco in the sense, it means crazy in Spanish. Loco is crazy in Spanish. So that's what I'm doing now. A crazy adventure trip. Let's go. Look at me. No one around. Look at this. No one around. I have to walk in this trail. A water flow and a lot of rocks, but I'm wearing my flip-flops, so it's fine. But it's not that easy, and we don't do easy things as well. We need adventurous, crazy things. Let's go, Yopa! And this place is in Andhra Pradesh, almost close to those Nalamala forest, but it's not that deep into the forest, but it's close to Kurnool. It's in Nandyal district. Let's go. Yo guys, I walked almost for half an hour on this trail. Oh my god, this is not easy. And I'll show you, I still didn't reach the waterfall. I'm halfway through. I'll show you the waterfall view from here. Look at this. Oh my god, I need to go more further. Look at this. I'll be going there soon. Let's have some fun. Let's go. I have to go from this trail. Look at this. This is the craziest place. Oh my god. It's in the mountains. Yo guys, this is not an easy trail for sure. But the waterfalls, man, look at this. Oh my god. Let's go. Deep into the forest. Oh my god. I would never recommend this for anyone, but for the trial, the way you have to walk to reach this place, it's not that easy and safe. Oh my god, I'm exhausted, but I'm reaching the waterfalls. I'm happy for that. Yeah, there's a trial from this side. Let's take this one and walk. Let's walk. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I hope I'm taking the right path. I'm almost there. Need to go a bit far. Let's go. Look at this bird. Have to walk more. I finally reached another destination. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is what we want, man. Come on. enjoy the nature. Look at it. Oh my god, this is not easy. It's crazy. Look at this waterfall, but I made it. Pretty happy. Let's go. Now I have to head back. Even I left my backpacks halfway through because the trail wasn't that easy with those backpacks. Look at them. One over there, one here. I have to go back in this forest to the main road. It's not slow, it's fucking fast. Up there. Let's go. This is such a beautiful place in the forest. And look at here. No one cares. No one cares. It's our responsibility to look after our place. Come on, grow up. And now look at here, what's happening. Yeah, contamination, that's the problem. Look at the bugs. Fucking hell. Because of the place, look, people just throw the plastic everywhere. Look at here. All the trash, plastic. Oh, shrooms. Are they psychedelic? I'm not sure. I don't want to try them. But the trash, man, come on. Behave. Take it back. If you bring something with you, just take it back and put it in the bin, please. Look at this. Yo guys, I'm still getting back from that waterfall. Look at this trail. Oh my god, it's not that easy. Never. Please don't try. Yeah, just if you really want to see this waterfall, just go there without any backpacks. Look at me. I have this almost 12-13 kilos and a big rucksack. It got almost like 15-16 kilos. It's not that easy. And look at me, barefoot with flip-flops, just walking in the water. Oh my goodness, fuck me. But it's fine. The view, the waterfall was fantastic. I loved it. I just sat there for like 1 hour just watching waterfalls. There was no internet there. It was best, epic. I had a great time. Peace. I'm having some food here on the road next to the mountain. That's where I went for the waterfall. It was epic.